How to fix portrait zoom not working on iPhone. So if you want to fix your portrait zoom is not working on your iPhone, then first you need to restart your device. So you just need to simply open up your settings. Now once you're under your settings, you need to scroll down and then go with the general section. Scroll all the way down and then tap on shutdown. Once you tap on shutdown, you just need to simply swipe and then it will shut down, and after that, once you've restarted, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is you just need to simply open up your settings again and make sure that your portrait zoom is turned on. So if it is not turned on, then you won't find that option. So you just need to simply scroll down and find the camera option. So go with apps and go with camera, or it might be under your settings. Go with the camera right here. So here you just need to simply scroll down and go with preserve settings. Under preserve settings, you will have a portrait zoom option. So if you have a portrait zoom option, you just need to simply go and toggle it on. After toggling it on, then your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply open up your settings again. And under your settings, you need to tap on general. And under general, you can scroll down again and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset. And here you need to go with reset all settings. And you need to reset your settings. After resetting your settings, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then you need to check if you have any updates. So go with the general section and then go with software update. And if you have any updates, then you just need to simply go and update your software. After updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.